So guys, Realme has finally launched their brand new budget beast, the Realme 3 Pro, with a bet to beat the mighty Redmi Note 7 Pro. In the launch event, the phone seems very rough and tough, and the camera specifications, even Apple don't hype this much about the cameras. But apart from that, there are some cool features as well, and that raises only one question: does the Realme 3 Pro really stands out as a winner for the brand? Let's roll the intro to find out more. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Another week, another smartphone launch. 2019 is all about new smartphone launches, and I can't even remember what's the number of smartphones that have been launched till now in this year. But moving to today's launch, the Realme 3 Pro is a budget smartphone that's powered by Snapdragon 710 processor and Adreno 616 GPU, and it is available in two RAM variants. It is available in 4GB RAM 64GB storage variant, and it is also available in a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. The processor is super powerful in the budget segment, and for the die-hard PUBG fans, there is another surprise. Realme has also introduced the Hyper Boost performance enhancement that will surely gives you a very smooth PUBG experience. So that's a little advantage to all the gaming experts. Now, apart from the powerful hardware, the Realme 3 Pro mainly focuses on the camera department. Yeah, you can't expect anything else from Oppo's sub-brand, but the Realme 3 Pro mainly focuses on the rear cameras instead of the moonlight selfie cameras. It has a dual rear camera setup, the primary lens of 16 megapixel having f1.7 aperture and one depth sensor lens of 5 megapixel. And what's more interesting is that the 16 megapixel lens can even capture photos of up to 64 megapixel using the Ultra HD mode. The megapixel game in 2019 is really going far and far away. First 48 megapixel and now these image processing 64 megapixel techniques. I don't know where will this thing end. I mean, who needs these large processed images? Just marketing stunts and nothing else. On the front end, it has a 25 megapixel selfie camera, and I think it will perform well according to the standards. Now coming to the battery department, the Realme 3 Pro is powered by a 4045 mAh battery, and what's more interesting in this is that this battery can be charged using the VOOC 3.0 flash charge technology. Yes, this device supports 20-watt fast charging, and I think this is the fastest charging available in this segment right now. Well, these are the basic specs of this device, and while there are some additional specifications also, I will cover them all in my unboxing video. Now, what are my thoughts about the Realme 3 Pro? This device should be the original Realme 3, and instead of launching Pro models giving good features, brands should focus on delivering the Pro model features in the main model only. The Realme 3 Pro is the most balanced budget smartphone with features targeting the youth. On paper, it's definitely showing that an average user will not face any type of lag, and the gaming performance also seems very promising. But these are just my initial impressions, and I will only give my final verdict after testing the device myself. So I hope I will get my hands on this device very soon. But what are your thoughts regarding the Realme 3 Pro? You do tell me in the comment section below. And will you purchase this device? Do tell me that too. Rest, I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting videos like this in the future also. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one.